The phone rings at our office here in Gilbert, Arizona. My doctor here in Malaysia says I need an EKG. What is my deductible I have to pay before my international employer group medical starts paying? Asked one of our clients who is residing in Malaysia.
Ask Doug About Employer Group Insurance is a series of videos pertaining to your international employer group insurance. Today, we will be sharing key things to keep in mind with your international employer group deductible.
Here are a few key points about your international employer group medical insurance. International group insurance has an annual deductible, not a per incident deductible. Some employer group plans have the annual deductible based on the calendar, January 1st through December 31st, and others based on the policy year, when the policy started during the year. These are all found in your certificate of coverage, or you can email and ask us at info@gninsurance.com. Deductibles are also calculated according to the service date, not according to when the claim was filed. Sometimes people think they have to submit the claim in the same calendar year, but 90 days after is fine. Some employer group plans have a lower or $0 deductible for medical expenses incurred outside the U.S. This is to encourage you to have medical care in your country of service. Lower medical costs means lower increase to your premium next year. Some employer group plans have a higher deductible out-of-network expenses. That's because the insurance company doesn't get a discount with that hospital or doctor. All employer group plans allow deductibles to cross-accumulate, which means any deductible met in one place will apply to the other. So if you already met your U.S. deductible and go back overseas, any additional medical care in that year won't need to meet the deductible. Karen, our International Employer Group Director, shared this with our client over the phone, and then added this. Jim, the best way to find out if your EKG is covered or where to get it is to call the phone number on your medical card. The customer care representative will be able to answer your questions on this. You can call Collect 24/7, 365. Another way is to email customer service or go online to your secure portal. You should receive an immediate auto response, and then within 24 hours, an actual answer should come. Karen mentioned on the phone. Now, if you are still unsure, Jim, send me an email with the details, including dates and provider contact information, and we will make sure that you get an answer. Another call came in for Karen and asked, "This is Brittany, and I reside in South Africa, but I am visiting my folks here in the U.S. for a couple months. I have a quick question. Do I have to meet the whole U.S. deductible on my international employer group before my insurance pays anything?" Karen answered Brittany, "If it is for an office visit, you may only have to pay a copay. A copay does not apply to deductible or coinsurance. It may apply to out-of-pocket maximum depending on your certificate. Also, if you met your overseas deductible earlier and are now in the U.S., any deductible met while overseas also applies to your U.S. deductible. Deductibles cross-accumulate, which means a whole or partial deductible met with one type of provider applies to the other types. Also, keep in mind, Brittany," Karen added, "if you stay in network, your wellness and preventative benefits that are not subject to deductible or coinsurance, like a checkup when you aren't sick. Have questions? We are just a phone call, email, or online chat away here in Gilbert, Arizona. 1-480-813-9100. Visit us online at gninsurance.com and use our chat to immediately connect with one of our dedicated international insurance specialists for all of your questions. We wish you and your loved ones an amazing, safe, and marvelous travels.